Governor Ivey said tourism grew by 8.5% last year, bringing in an additional $1 billion from 2017. The money they spent saved Alabama families $500 last year in state and local taxes. Here in Huntsville, we took our questions about a potential boycott to Mayor Tommy Battle.
Just don't know. Just don't know. I mean, it's way too early to tell.
Local tourism leaders say 2018 was a record year for North Alabama. Waay 31's Steven Dilsizian now joins us live to explain how they plan to keep that momentum going. Steven.
Guys, in 2018, almost 3.5 million visitors came to Madison County alone and spent $1 billion. But that progress could stop as states like Maryland and Colorado are asking their state workers not to visit the state of Alabama.
To see what it was 15, 20 years ago versus what it is now is just brings me joy to be proud of my city.
Jeremy Galloway is preparing to open his new store in Huntsville. He says hearing the tourism numbers rise is promising.
California, Washington, Colorado, all over the United States, and we've had people from around the world coming here visiting.
Galloway didn't want to talk about Alabama's new abortion law and calls on social media to boycott the state. I asked Huntsville Mayor Tommy Battle if he's concerned over the backlash.
It's really kind of special. We're in a very good position in North Alabama.
And that's because Mayor Battle tells me there's a demand for businesses to come to this area. He says the region is prepared to continue its growth for the next 5 years.
We're very fortunate up in this area. We have had so many businesses coming in here that we're pretty much picking and choosing who we bring into the community, who has long-term, who brings a long-term economy to our area.
Mayor Battle says the city hasn't gotten any calls about boycotts or businesses threatening to leave. But he tells me it's too early to tell if tourism and business growth will take a hit.
The future is something we'll have to watch and watch very closely.
Galloway hasn't seen any sort of impact yet and says,
just from my presence in this shop so far, I've seen so many more people that have never heard of us, never been to Constitution Park, and even folks that are even moving to Huntsville or checking us out for the first time.
Officials tell me this abortion law has no impact on them building here in Huntsville and in North Alabama. I've also reached out to Google and Facebook as they're planning on building data centers here in North Alabama. I've yet to hear back from either of them. Reporting live in Huntsville, Steven Dilsizian, Waay 31 News.